Let's make a clock. For this project, you will need a Cricut cutter machine, a grip mat for cutting, 65-pound colored cardstock, clock movement parts, adhesive foam tabs, and craft quick bond glue. Open Cricut Design Space, click on Images and search for an image. I chose to use a turtle for my clock. Once you've got your image, click Add to Canvas. The turtle on the right is what it will look like when it's finished. To get started, open Contour, Hide All, and change the color to green. Click Duplicate, then we're going to line it up, change the color to a darker green. Once we do that, click Contour, then click on the dots for the turtle spots to show through. Then duplicate. Once we duplicate, we're going to line it up again, change it to a darker green. Then we're going to click Contour and hide all inside of the shell. Now that we're finished with our 3 layers for the turtle, we've got to work on his shell. Click Duplicate again, Contour, Show All, and this shows all the patterns. Click Shape, select Square, Resize, and place along the turtle's shell. This is to slice the arms, legs, and tail so that we can work just on the shell. Zoom in if you need to, duplicate again, and place again along the shell. Once you've got it there, you're going to select all, weld them together, duplicate, and flip it along the bottom of the shell, then slice. Delete the cut pieces and you are left with the lines detached. Open Contour and hide the lines that have been cut. Now you are left with the shell. Duplicate the shell and select the color brown for the base layer. Open Contour and hide all. Place the green layer on top and change it to dark purple. Open Contour, we're going to hide all and then go along the edges and open up the spaces for the brown of the turtle to show through. Click the Close button. I'm going to duplicate, and this time we're going to change it to a lighter purple. Click Contour, and we're going to open up the petals for the dark purple to show through. Once you've got all the petals pressed, click Close. Click Duplicate again, and this time we're going to make it a green color. This will be for our leaves. Click Contour and open up the back parts of the leaves. Then click Close. We're going to duplicate again, and this will be our yellow layer. Alright, open Contour, and we're going to go around and we're going to open up the sides for the top and bottom for our leaves to show through. Notice that I do miss the left and the right side, and this is for our 3 o'clock and our 9 o'clock on our clock. Then you're going to press Close, and it's going to open up. Alright, we're going to duplicate again, and this is going to be our blue top color. Go to Contour, open it again, and we're going to open up the middle and the little parts in the very beginning for our yellow to show through on our flower. Now all we have left is our numbers, so let's align it in the center. We're going to go to text, and we're going to type in 12. Make sure it is at the top petal for 12 o'clock. Then we're going to duplicate it, and we're going to create 6 o'clock at the bottom. We're going to weld those together, and then we're going to weld it to the blue layer of the flower. Click Text again. Once you click Text, we're going to add in 3. Put 3 where it needs to go on the right hand side. We're going to duplicate it and put 9 where it goes on the left hand side. We're going to weld them together, and this time instead of welding to the blue, we're going to slice with the blue flower. Okay, and then we'll delete the parts that we don't need. This should show the yellow coming through on the background of the 9 and the 3. Lastly, click Shapes, click the square, and we're going to resize it to a rectangle. We're going to make it really, really small. It's going to fit in place on top of the 9. Once we've got it like we need it and small, we'll duplicate it and we'll place it on top of the 6 as well. Then we'll click both of the rectangles, and we'll click also the top blue layer, and we will weld them together. This keeps everything together and nice and neat when we cut it. Group and align your shell back onto your turtle, and then it is time to cut out your cardstock through your Cricut cutter. Now that our cardstock turtle layers have been cut using the Cricut cutting machine, it's time to put the pieces together. Starting from the bottom layer, I will piece each layer together using a mixture of glue and adhesive foam squares. Make sure to watch carefully as each piece is layered. Please enjoy.